Hello, it's Andrew. This is Grow Tropical MK. Today I'm going to set up an 8-watt solar fountain from a company called Poposoap. I've received my box, looks fairly simple. I've got all the instructions. Use your own bowl for it, like so. I've got all the stuff down here. I'll go through it. I'll go through where I'm going to actually put it in my garden because I've got to find a space first. But the idea is we take this bowl, we dig a hole, put the bowl in it, put the fountain in it, and as it's solar powered, I've got great flexibility in where I can put it in my garden. Let's go. So with solar, you've obviously got to pick a good location that's in the sun. As you can see, there's not too many spaces left. Let's see if we can find a spot and go from there. The great thing about having a solar fountain is that it doesn't need to be plugged in and relies on the sun for its power, which gives me more flexibility as to where I can put it in my garden. And this spot here, although the sun's not shining at the moment, it does get a lot of sun. So let's clear it on up. Let's work out how this all sets up. This is a bowl, or a square bowl, dish bowl that I had at hand. You could use something bigger, you could use something a bit more rounder, but I'm going to see how this one performs today. I'm sure it'd be fine, and maybe change it up a little bit at a later date. So let's have a look down here, see what else we've got. Right, so I've got some instructions, assembly instructions. We've got the actual solar panel, various parts that connect together. Got the tube, got the actual pump here as well. This forms the base. I believe these are filters, all manner of connections so that we get the fountain spout in the style that we want. Time to start digging. I've got a couple of different types of shovels. Well, I've got a shovel and a drainage spade. Let's go. I'm going to mark around the edges as a bit of a template. I'm not going to be digging a very deep hole for this, just a little bit of a base, as I intend on filling out the sides with topsoil. Wanted to raise it a little bit, which I have done now, so I've got more visibility from the seating area in this garden. Let's crack on, set up the pump. Looking good. Okay, let's get a bit more decoration in terms of plants. We're going to look for a good spot for the solar panel, little adjuster, so that you don't have to have this end as is. You can just turn this handle here and set it to the position you want. Just go for an angle. This is such a cool idea. So this foam will just float on top of the water, and the pump apparently will auto switch off if the water level is low. Let's pop this in. Wow, that's so cool and took me so little time. Hope you enjoyed that. Do follow, and hopefully I'll be developing my garden a little bit more with some more aqua products in the future. Stay tuned.